I've been really trying, baby, trying to hold back this feeling for so long. Yeah, boy. And if you feel like I feel, baby, come on. Oh, come on. Ooh, let's get it on. Let's get it on. Let's go, baby. Let's get it on. Sugar, let's get it on. We're all sensitive people. I know I am. There's so much to give. And since we got to be, let's leave, 'cause I love you. There's, sing with me, nothing wrong with me loving you, baby, no, no, no. And giving yourself to me can never be wrong. And if your love is true, oh baby, ooh, so true, so sweet and wonderful, like you need. I'm asking you, girl, to get it on with me. I ain't gonna worry, Lord, I ain't gonna push. I won't push you, baby. La, 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 la. Come on, come on, come on, come on, baby. Stop being around the bush. Oh, I wanna get it on. Right to you, my baby. I wanna get it on. Oh, yes, I do. Worry that is wrong. When the spirit moves you, let me groove you. Good, let your love come down. Oh, get it on. Come on, baby. Say you don't mean it. Wanna feel sanctified. Girl, you don't mean it. So good. Wanna feel sanctified. Now, there's a tune that sounds very similar to this. I'm just gonna give you a little piece of it. When your legs don't work like they used to before, and I can't sweep you off your feet. When your mouth remember the taste of my love. Will your eyes still smile from your cheeks? And darling, I will be loving you till we're 70. And baby, my heart can still fall as hard at 23. Yeah, I'm thinking about how people fall in love in mysterious ways.